Well, dear friends, in this video, I will start here explaining interference of light. Actually, many theories put forward for the propagation of light, and in last video I explained you Huygens theory of propagation of light, which is based on the fact that there exists medium ether, and when a source of light plays in this medium ether, particle of medium ether start oscillating, and oscillating particle of medium behaves secondary source of disturbance. And I have told you also that it is part of history of the light propagation. Now we know very well that light waves are electromagnetic in nature. Light waves are electromagnetic in nature. This fact we know now, and hence it does not, or it means light, and hence light does not require medium necessarily. It is not necessary that medium must be there. Huygens theory proved that medium ether is needed for the propagation, and he proved that light travels slower in denser medium, which was practically verified in 1850. Before that, Thomas Young proved wave nature of light practically. He determined the wavelength of light. But at that time it was well established fact that light wave require medium. But I told you, now we know light waves are electromagnetic in nature, hence they don't require medium. And I told you while teaching EM waves that it is the electric field vector which produces sensation of sight on our eye. And now this visibility is caused by electric field vector. So keeping in this idea in view, consideration, I will explain interference of light on the basis of electromagnetic nature of the light waves. Though it is not given in any book here now, actually the previous edition of NCRT explained this criteria, took this criteria of electromagnetic wave and then explained. Now, what is interference of light? Before understanding interference of light, we have to recall interference of light. Many things. Interference. What is the meaning of interference? When one thing already present there, Suppose in some office one administrator is there and other comes, they can work there independently, but their work are affected by each other also. That is called interference. In class 11, you have learned principle of superposition. So interference of light is the result of superposition of light waves. What is the principle of superposition? I have told you in electrostatic. Okay, if these are charges Q1 and Q2, they are like charges, suppose positive or negative both. The force on charge Q1 due to Q2 will act along this line, and I can write here F1, 2. If I put any charge Q3 here, it is also suppose positive, then presence of Q2 will not affect this force F1, 2, but it will apply its own force, and that is F1, 3. So resultant of total force on Q1 will be due to Q2, Q3 will be vector sum of F1, 2 and F1, 3 and like this. So resultant force हो जाएगा, but these force will exist, and the force of one is not affected by other. Similarly, in case of waves, whether they are sound waves or light waves or any other signal in the form of wave, so many waves can travel together. I am writing here principle of superposition. Of superposition. Actually, I have noticed, dear students, that some topics are in physics which are not properly understood by even the teachers. It is physics and it is always around us, and the things around us are difficult to understand, and different will give different explanation. Many theories there. So please try to follow me. If you have any contradiction in your mind, please you can give message in the message column. But listen to me very carefully and try to follow me, because I suffered a lot because I could not understand what is interference, and that is reason that it was explained wrongly in the book. Still, I have book which I most like, but interference has been given other way, and we can't understand that. So what is principle of superposition? According to this, principle, two or more waves can travel through a medium or empty space together without affecting each other. Each wave travels as it travels alone. Means wave wave written like y equal to a sine omega t. Omega is the frequency, A is the amplitude, and y is the value of displacement or any other factor any physical quantity which keep on changing periodically with time. I have told you many times that what is wave? Periodic variation of some physical quantity. Now, with transfer energy from one place to another is wave. When some variation occur in some physical quantity and that variation causes the transfer of energy, then you can say that a wave exists there. So, none of the characteristic, amplitude, frequency, and this y will be changed when, suppose y1 wave going this way, frequency omega 1, a1 amplitude, y2 is there, a2 sine omega 2, and so on. So there no characteristic of wave will get changed by the presence of other. Then what happens? Why we are taking this so seriously? And further, according to principle of superposition, some people speak it as superimposition also. When two or more waves travel together, then the resultant displacement in case of elastic waves, which are elastic waves which require medium like sound wave, or resultant electric field. Resultant electric field in case of EM waves at any point will be the vector sum of displacement produced by each wave or vector sum of electric field. due to each wave. Due to each wave. You might be thinking where the too many waves are traveling together. Your communication, television or radio or telephone, is through electromagnetic wave. Your television antenna receives the wave from different channels, different transmitters of different, and all those transmitter or stations, what you say, transmission and station, send frequency of different waves, many. So all the waves are received by the antenna and sent through your cable wire to your TV, and TV select them. TV select the particular signal you need. Though all are present. Similarly, when you tune your radio, FM radio or AM radio, your tuner is rotated. Tuner, in fact, change the frequency of electric current produced in the radio. So they are coming together. They are all existing together. Have you got my point? So simply I told you that when we place charges, then they experience Coulomb force, and Coulomb force on one charge due to other is not affected if we bring some more charges, but resultant sum force will be the vector sum. Similarly, sound waves, similarly electromagnetic waves. Actually, मैंने बताया ना, wave produce some variation in physical quantity. So if y1, y2, y3, so on be the value of electric field vectors, electric field, I am writing y1, y2, I am not writing electric field as E. I have taken the symbol y1. Y represent electric field produced by some wave at any point due to different light waves. Then resultant electric field at that point will be given by y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus so on. This is the principle of superposition. So in this video, I have just only introduce again with light wave as electromagnetic wave. In NCERT book, they are using Huygens theory to explain interference of light. But in fact, now it is well established fact that light waves are electromagnetic wave. Why I am treating them electromagnetic wave here? Because the next coming topic, which is called polarization, can only be explained with the help of electric field vector of electromagnetic waves. Then why should we not use light waves as electromagnetic wave? So interference of light is the superposition of electric field of different light waves at one place. I I told you that suppose it is any charged particle, one electric will apply force this way, QE1. It is charge Q, QE2. So you have learned law of parallelogram. If two vectors are represented by two adjacent sides of parallelogram, then their vector sum will be represented by diagonal. So we will be coming to this. This angle suppose theta, so resultant vector will be like this. Law of triangles also. If we add them like this, QE1, QE2. So our that, remember please, magnitude of resultant vector, suppose R1, R2 are there. Suppose it is R1, this is R2. तो modulus R equal to, ये R है वेक्टर्स का modulus, R1 square plus R2 square plus 2R1 R2 cos theta. We will come here across such a result using wave equation in the next video. Thank you.